You can now chat with Amazon Brand Registry. They used to be email only and takes weeks to solve issues. Now it can be done in real time through chat. I'll show you in today's video. So first you're gonna log into sellercentral.amazon.com, log into your Seller Central account. Then you're gonna open up another tab. Just Google Brand Registry Amazon. And then you're gonna see brandregistry.amazon.com. Then you're gonna go to your brand registry, right? You can log in or sign up for this if you don't have access. And then you can also enroll a brand like a trademark, and then you have full access to Amazon Brand Registry, which is a very powerful platform. You're gonna go to support, contact brand support, and then you're just gonna do technical issue, and any issues that you're having on Amazon, you can chat with them in real time, less than a minute wait. And this is going to help escalate and fix your problems extremely fast. Let me explain. So if you do it regularly on Seller Central, they're the lowest level of support, right? So if you're on Seller Central and you're opening up a case and you're like, why is things not getting resolved? That's because they have the least amount of power and the least amount of knowledge, right? You can do escalation 1, which is requesting a callback. Escalation 2, which is the catalog team. Escalation 3 is the captive team. This is when issues get really bad, or they're not, maybe your listing's deactivated and they're not getting reinstated and it should be. Escalation number 4 is the leadership team. And then other is brand registry team. The brand registry team has ultimate power. They have the power to do everything the other teams can do and more. So they have the power to completely deactivate your account. They have the power to completely reactivate your account, reactivate your listings, deactivate your listings, right? They are extremely powerful. They are very hard to communicate, but now that they have a chat button, it's gonna make things easier, right? So not only can you chat with them, but you can remove listings, talk to them, get your listings reinstated, listing issue, fix listings. Such a powerful way to contact and fix issues. But that's it for today's video. Have you tried the new chat feature on Amazon for Brand Registry? How was your experience? Share it below for everybody else to hear. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, listing and reinstatement, escalating seller support, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.